Science comes alive when kids can build it, explore it, and experience it. From a free Amelia Earhart event to desert ecology and theme park physics, this week's homeschool journey turned into a full-blown STEM adventure. We're a homeschooling family that learns everywhere, from libraries to the desert to theme parks, and today I'm sharing some of our favorite free science resources and how we turn every day into a hands-on learning adventure. So let's jump right into our first stop, the library. Our local library hosted a free science-themed event all about Amelia Earhart, and it was the perfect blend of history, engineering, and storytelling. We learned about her life, her courage, and science behind early aviation. The kids were fascinated, and honestly, so was I. Then came the hands-on part, paper airplane engineering. Each child designed their own airplane using different folds and experimented with weight, symmetry, and wing shape. We turned it into a mini STEM challenge. Whose flew the furthest and what design changes helped it glide better. It was simple, free, and packed with real science. Next, we headed to the Prime Desert Woodlands Preserve, one of our favorite outdoor classrooms. This place is full of science opportunities, ecology, geology, wildlife observation, and environmental stewardship. We stopped at every bulletin along the trail. These signs are basically mini lessons: desert animal adaptations, plant survival strategies, local geology, and seasonal changes. It's like a self-guided science curriculum built right into the landscape. After a hike, we headed inside the visitor center. They were having a free rock painting event for kids. This turned into a great conversation about minerals, pigments, and how natural materials become art. Then we wandered through the cozy museum. It's small, but full of local history, animal and interactive displays, a chalk wall, and environmental science. The kids asked questions, touched textures, and made connections between what they saw outside and what they learned inside. The visitor center is free, fun, and a great place to have a science lesson. Now, this might surprise you, but Universal Studios is absolutely a science field trip if you look at it through the right lenses. Every ride is a lesson in physics, engineering, special effects, robotics, sound design, and computer animation. From the motion simulators to the animatronics, everything is built on STEM principles. We talked about force, motion, speed, and how our senses can be tricked through screens, sound, and movement. Theme parks are basically giant STEM labs disguised as fun.
On your left is a real airplane, a real 747 that was purchased by production with a discounted price of $60,000. Just join, and then featured in the movie for maybe 4 minutes screen time.
So that's our homeschool science adventure, all built from free or cheap resources, outdoor exploration, and creative learning opportunities. Science doesn't have to be expensive, it doesn't have to be complicated, and it definitely doesn't have to stay inside a classroom. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where we should explore next. Until next time, keep learning everywhere.
Mission to go. Come on, let's get out of this city.